Hi guys, it's Kristen here at Shoes of Hollywood today. I'm going to be reviewing a pair for you of pleasers. They are the DELIGHT-651 6-inch strappy black heels. They come of course in this lovely red and black butterfly box. Matches my outfit very well today. Let us take a look at these shoes. Here we go. So we've got the matte black, the soft, almost velvet-like sole here, and then a nice easy zip to help us get in nice and quickly. That lovely platform there too will make this a very comfortable shoe. Alrighty. Let me get these on nice and quickly for you, and so you can have a good look at them. And they are very quick to get on, that easy. Ooh, would help if I unzipped it there. Here we go. Alright. Easy. I do like that little zipper too. It's got a nice little, I don't know what you'd call it, a nice little grip to pull it up on. It's very sweet. Alrighty, I'll stand up and let you look at these. Normally a size 9, and even though there's lots of straps here, I'm finding it a tiny bit loose just because my feet are very narrow. I think if you've got normal feet or a little bit wider, this will be a very, very sweet fit, but because of all the straps, I'm fine in these ones here. It's just a good thing to note if you haven't seen these before. Alrighty. Have a little look at the details there. It's all matte, all black. Perfect cocktail shoe. Nice summer dress. Going out at night. Alright guys, it's a beautiful day outside but a very hot one, so we might not be out there for too long. But if you're liking this review so far, please give us a big like. There's a notification bell just up here, so every time we upload we'll get a notification to you. Let us take a look at these ones outside. They aren't a glossy finish, so very chic and edgy looking. It is a very warm day out here. Anyone in Australia knows that coming up this summer season has been so hot. My goodness. Thankfully we've got a nice breeze here today. But they're very easy to walk in, these shoes. Do love these pleasers, even though they're 6 inches, which isn't that high at all. Very supportive. All these straps just keep nice and in. The elastic is very comfortable as well. What do you guys reckon of these? It is getting a bit warm out here, so we won't stay out here for too long. I'm in long leg clothing and black shoes, but these are perfect summer shoes. Very strappy, very airy. Alright. And if I can walk in these ones, you most certainly can too. Very easy. I'll show you one more look out here. There's not too much to see here, but I do like that matte finish. And it's lovely because the sole on this one is just very soft, very, very comfortable shoe. I think it matches the outfit very well. Let us head on back inside. Alright guys, I hope you've enjoyed this review. If you have, please leave us a comment letting us know if you'd like to see more of these style shoes, or how you found the walk, or anything like that. Give us a big like, subscribe to us for more content, and of course I will tell you, these are the pleasers, and the name of these is the DELIGHT-651. They are a 6-inch matte black strappy platform heel, and I'll show you just how quick and easy they are to take off. 1, 2, and there you go. That easy. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next review. Bye guys.